Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to leave a clan in survivor.io. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and leave a clan in survivor.io. So first of all, how you can do it? Well, when you're in the battle screen, when you're in here, you will see the clan in, of course, here. So not when you go and start a game, not there. Of course, if you have a clan, it will be like that also. But you'll have your clan here if you, of course, have progressed in the game enough. Then you enter your clan by tapping a clan building, find your name in the member list and tap on it, and tap leave clan. Confirm your choice to leave. If you're the clan leader, you can leave immediately. You must first open your clan and tap manage, transfer leadership to another member, and once you're a regular member, tap your name and choose leave clan. So that's how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.